This video will explain how to use concept maps to break down complex topics into their individual related parts. This is a good way for a visual learner to understand the correlation between parts of a concept or idea. Begin by writing a main topic at the top of your page and draw a circle around it. Break your main topic into components and arrange them in a hierarchy. As you get farther down the page, away from your topic, the concepts become more and more specific. Add linking lines between each component. Add in words that explain the relationship between two connected bubbles. When you read the bubbles in descending order, including the linking words, you will usually get sentences relating the entire topic. Try concept mapping when you are trying to understand complex topics. Happy studying!